In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kartra Analytics. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kartra. Click the official result so you land on the correct site, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, take a second to notice the main navigation. Kartra groups reporting inside each area of the platform, so you'll find analytics where you actually do the work: pages, marketing, sales, and contacts. Head to Pages first. Open the Pages section and choose All Pages. From there, select Analytics. This view shows you how each page is performing. You'll see unique visitors to understand reach, and goals, such as opt-ins to gauge how effectively a page captures leads. Engagement metrics like average time on page and scroll depth tell you if people are actually consuming your content or bouncing early. If time on page is low or scroll depth is shallow, consider whether your headline, hero section, or call to action needs to be clearer or appear sooner. Use the date range at the top to compare different periods, which helps you spot trends after a new campaign or design change. Next, move to marketing. Click Email and SMS and open Analytics. Here you'll find open rates, click-through rates, and even revenue earned per send. Opens indicate subject line and sender reputation performance, while clicks reflect message relevance and call-to-action strength. Revenue per send helps you understand which broadcasts or automations actually drive sales, not just engagement. Look for patterns. Consistent high open rates paired with low clicks can signal great hooks but weak offers or links. Still in marketing, go to Sequences and select Analytics. You'll see a visual map of your automated flow that reveals where leads are at each step and where they're dropping off. This is your bird's-eye view of funnel health. Big drop-offs can mean timing is off, the message needs refining, or the next step isn't obvious. Use this picture to prioritize improvements where they'll have the greatest impact. Now click Sales, then go to Payments and choose Analytics. This dashboard shows total revenue, refunds, and a breakdown of sales per price point. Track refund rate over time and notice which price tiers convert best. If one price point outperforms the rest, consider highlighting it more prominently in your offers. Finally, open Contacts, then Forms, and select Analytics. You'll see total opt-ins and your form conversion rates. This tells you which forms bring in the most leads and which might be asking for too much too soon. Shorter, clearer forms typically convert better. Review these analytics regularly. With a quick tour through each area, you'll know exactly what's working and where to optimize.